Okay guys, I wanted to make this video to kind of show you what it should look like this week and pretty much going forward. So this is going to be what you should see. I'm in student view, so this is pretty much what you're going to see when you log in, and notice that there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday plans. And we don't have Friday plans because Friday is a day that you can use however you want. It can be makeup day, catch-all day, or a free day. As always, you're going to check my announcements tab every day. Please make sure you are checking my announcements tabs. You should have an announcement almost every single day. And this is where I'll post my YouTube video links and any other important information. If you need to send me an email privately, right here is the inbox. Discussions, I will occasionally post read-alouds. I've kind of stepped back from doing them every day just because I'm doing other YouTube videos, but I still will try to at least do once a week. Then now this is kind of the new part. So assignments. So this week you can see that you're going to have a total of 8 assignments. You're going to have that you have to turn into me. You're going to have more to do this, but there's 8 that you have to specifically turn into me. We're going to have 3 for math, so you have 2 math quizzes. Here are your 2 math quizzes, and then you're going to be submitting a problem set to me. Then for science, we have an assignment. It's just a question and then a quiz. This little rocket means that it's a quiz. And then you're going to have 1 for skills, which is this fish book uploading, and then you're going to have 2 for CKLA, which is you just uploading the activity. Now, quizzes and assignments are all under the assignments tab. So this is everything you need to do for the week. But if you want to specifically see quizzes, you see that you have 3 quizzes this week. These are the 2 for math, and this is the 1 for science. And then this is the conference tab for whenever we do video chats. Now, assignments. Let's just take the page 17.3 from Fishbook. So what you're going to do is you're going to complete the worksheet in your Fishbook just like you normally do, and then you're going to come here and you're going to please upload a picture. So you're going to go to submit assignment, and you're going to upload it as a file. You can either take a picture of it, send it to your computer, and save it as a file. I've seen that some parents said the easiest thing is for them to upload it from their cell phone or from the app itself. But otherwise, I guess you would just email it to yourself, save it on your computer, and then choose the file to upload. But I think it would be best if you're open to it, trying it from your phone and or the app. So just take a picture of it on your cell phone and upload it right here. That's how that assignment will work. And then the science question right here, it just says give me 2 to 3 examples of each of the 3 states of matter, and you could submit the assignment. For this one, you could upload me a picture of your written answer. You could type your written answer. You could type your answer. It wouldn't be written. You could type your answer, or you could record yourself telling me the answer. So those are the 3 options for that, and I tell you what the options are. And then so each one you'll just click on it and tell you what to do. But again, I've heard that the simplest way to upload a picture is from your cell phone or through the Canvas app. Otherwise, you'll have to save it as a file on your computer and upload it that way. Now here is the quiz for math, and you'll just take it. It's 10 questions, and you'll just answer it. And then at the end, when you're done, you'll say submit quiz. Now, these do, if you notice, these do have due dates on them. Please know that these are not set in stone. Just due dates do work better for some people. So you can see it says due April 28th, due April 28th, April 28th, April 29th, April 30th, April 30th. Please know this is not the end all of the days. This is just if it helps you and your child or your student stay focused and have due dates, that is fine. But please, you can see that it's available until June 5th. If you turn it into me any day this week, that is acceptable. If you're the kind of person that wants to do it all Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. It doesn't matter to me. So please know that the due dates are not set in stone. They are very flexible. You complete as it works for you and your schedule and your student throughout the week. I'm not going to say, oh, you turned it in late. There are no caps to when you turn this in. Please understand that, okay? And please know that this is just no stress. This is simply just me and you being held accountable. I'm not going to be micromanaging. It's simply complete, check, or I didn't get it, incomplete. So please, please, please do not let this stress you. And I hope this helps. And if you have any other questions, please know that I'll be available. So I'm going to kind of give you an example though. So you won't have anything to submit on Monday. So I'm going to open up Tuesday's plans. And you can see that artifacts that I'm collecting are highlighted in teal. So if it's something that you need to specifically turn into me, I have highlighted it each day in the teal. So you'll see that, hey, this is where I need to go specifically turn it. And I say, please upload a picture of the completed worksheet in the assignments tab under page 17.3 from the fish book. So you would go to the assignments tab and you would know that you need to upload it right here. Then go to the assignments tab and complete the activity CKLA 428 question. So you would say, okay, CKLA 428 question. And you would click on it and follow the directions. And it tells you exactly what is expected. And you go up here to submit assignment. And then this says go to the assignments tab and under the and answer the science 428 question. So you would go to Science 428 question, and it says give me 2 to 3 examples of each of the 3 states of matter. You can type, video, record, or upload a picture of your written answer. So submit assignment. Please know that this is also flexible. Upload it how it fits you and your student best. So I hope that it's pretty easy for you to follow, and I hope this video helps. And then I think your next day to submit something to me is on, I think you have something on Wednesday, and then on Thursday it says, so submit the completed activity to me under the assignments tab, CKLA 430 activity. So you would take this document down here, complete it either on this actual sheet or in your journal, and then upload it to me. And then this says, please take the quiz matter 430 under the quizzes tab. I've also figured out though that quizzes also show up under assignments, so however you want to go to it. This right here shows you everything you need to do, including quizzes, because quizzes have this little rocket, or you could get to it through the quizzes tab. Okay, if you have any more questions, I'll be happy to help you. Oh, I think I wanted to show you one more. So on Wednesday, you're going to have to submit the problem set to me, and again, I tell you how to do that. So you just go to please submit the problem set to me. So you would go and just take a picture of it, complete it in your child's book, and upload it into Lesson 10 problem set. Moral of the story and main thing I want you to take away from this video is that it's very flexible. There's no set in stone date. You work through these lesson plans throughout the week as it fits you and your student. No stress. Thank you guys.